Hot honey grilled chicken thighs, big flavor, easy on the grill. The full recipe's linked below. Here's how you do it. I'll start with a light coat of olive oil. Today I'm rolling with Alpha Rub. Use your favorite SPG. I'm grilling these chicken thighs today. You can do wings. I grabbed these for 99 cents a pound. They were calling my name. And I'm following that up with just a light coat of paprika for color. And I'll do the same on the other side. I've got my pit set up for 2-zone grilling today, and I'm going to start skin side down and hit these both sides for 5 minutes and slide them over to finish off until they hit 170 internal. I like the color and char I've got on these, so I'm going to move these over to the cooler side and let these finish off until they hit 170. While the chicken finishes, let's make the hot honey sauce. Start with melted butter and garlic, about 30 seconds, just until fragrant. Chipotle powder and red pepper flakes bring the heat here. It builds slow, warm, not sharp. Give that a quick stir, then kill the heat and zest in an orange. That brightness balances the heat and really pulls the whole sauce together. Add your first layer. You're not trying to cook the sauce here, just let it melt on and tighten up. That's it. The sauce is set, the chicken is cooked through, and we're done with the grill. Final drizzle right on the plate. That's how I finish it. Our thighs are done, and they are calling my name, so let's give these a taste. Cheers. The skin is crispy, packed with that char-grilled flavor. A little sweet in heat, but nothing overwhelming. The orange zest gives it a bright lift. Balanced with every bite. It's always good cooking with you. The full recipe is linked below. If it's your first time here, hit subscribe for more easy-to-follow recipes that you can make right at home. And as always, keep it bold, keep it spicy, and until next time, adios.